In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PineScript within TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, customizing your chart with unique strategies and indicators can be a game changer in your analytical toolkit. Let's dive right into how you can create and deploy your own PineScript on TradingView. First, we'll need to open up TradingView on your browser. Make sure you're signed into your account so you have access to all the platform's features, including saving scripts. Once you're logged in, navigate to the chart component, which is typically front and center on the TradingView homepage. You can either open an existing chart or start fresh. It's up to you. Now that you have your chart open, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. You should see a series of tabs, and among them is the Pine Editor. Go ahead and click on this tab. The Pine Editor is where all the magic happens, serving as the workspace for your custom PineScript code. Inside the Pine Editor, you might notice that there is already some pre-existing code. Since we want to start from scratch, it's best to clear anything that's already there to avoid any unwanted code interfering with your script. Simply delete everything in that editing space, leaving you with a blank canvas for creating your custom script. Once your editor is cleared and ready, the next step is to insert your script. If you've already written or obtained a Pine script that you wish to implement, simply copy it from your source and paste it into the now empty editor within TradingView. After pasting the code, it's time for the exciting part, bringing your script to life on the chart. In the Pine editor, you'll see a button labeled Add to Chart. Clicking this will overlay your custom indicator or strategy directly onto your open chart. If everything goes smoothly, you should immediately see the effects of your script on the chart. Remember, having a TradingView account is essential for saving and managing your custom scripts. If your script doesn't appear on the chart, one of the first things to check is for any typos or errors in your code. PineScript is quite sensitive to syntax, and even a small mistake can prevent your script from working properly. Should you make any changes or improvements to your script, simply click Add to Chart again to refresh and apply the updates. For those looking to start a completely new script, you can also use the New Blank Indicator option found under the Pine Editor's Open menu to open a fresh editor. By following these steps, you can utilize the full potential of PineScript within TradingView, enhancing your charting experience like never before. Thanks for staying tuned, and I hope this walkthrough ignites your creativity in developing custom trading strategies.